Hello and welcome to watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarambai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On the last day of his animation visit to the St. Joseph province of India, Hyderabad, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime lost part of a trinal dialogue with the provincial Father Thomas Santiago and his provincial council. The day began with the celebration of Mass presided over by the Rector Major. Subsequently, the meeting with the Provincial Council took place, which lasted almost 3 hours, during which there was also a brief presentation of the history and mission of the province. The Rector Major, in his message to the provincial and to the members of the council, then clearly said that attention must be paid to the internalization, stability and consolidation of each mission, avoiding the temptation to get lost in an excess of activities and works. Putting together so many works is not a true indicator of growth, while guaranteeing the charismatic health of one's confreres and the strengthening of the identity of the Salesian mission is. The best way to face the future is to have a clear vision and work towards its achievement. This must be the motivating force of the province, of the confreres and all of your works, she concluded. On the third day of his animation visit to the Salesian province of St. Joseph, Hyderabad, the Rector Major met the Salesians and the members of the Salesian family, mostly of Telangana religion, at Don Bosco, Motinagar, Hyderabad. Everything is possible when we have the required strength. Though the sociological changes are happening quickly around the world, we need to have a clear vision in mind to march forward for the next 25 years, said the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, during his interaction with the members of the Salesian family. He stated that the Salesians of the Hyderabad province were on the path of growth characterized by responsibility and coherence. He affirmed, "There is a tremendous growth in the province from my previous visit to the present. To continue this growth, we need to keep in mind that vocations to Salesian will not come spontaneously like earlier days. We need to ensure personal accompaniment in the present age." In France, it is estimated that more than 7 lakhs young people are bullied at school, that is 12% of elementary school pupils, 10% of secondary school pupils and 4% of high school pupils. At the Don Bosco Secondary School in Gieres near Grenoble, positive psychology and Salesian pedagogy are working together to prevent this scourge. Mary Sozon, a teacher and librarian at the Salesian Network School, is especially sensitive to the phenomenon of bullying. She has noticed for some years that many young people are stressed, anxious, feel bad about themselves and have little self-respect. In contrast, several studies have shown that students who feel good and have higher self-esteem learn better. During a conference on emotions and learning at the John Bosco Center in Lyon, Mary discovered positive psychology and in 2019 enrolled in the University Diploma in Positive Psychology at the University of Grenoble. She is now working on a bullying prevention project for the school's 5th grade students, about 12 years old. A project that consists of raising awareness of the mechanisms of bullying and addressing issues related to cyberbullying through hands-on workshops. From February 20th to 24th, the annual meeting of the CIMAC-NAC and Mesoamerica region of Salesian schools in America, ESA in Spanish, was held in Guatemala. On this occasion, members of the region, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA, Daughters of the Divine Savior, HDS, and Salesians of Don Bosco, SDB, from the areas of Central America, Mexico, the Antilles, and North America, reflected on the future of Salesian education with regard to issues such as humanization, digitalization, and integral ecology, all of which are proposals that have been addressed in ESA strategic planning and are part of the journey of this region. The meeting was attended by 20 people, led by a number of experts who guided the participants' reflection and dialogue. Through remote interventions, the SDB and FMA General Councillors of Youth Ministry, Father Miguel Angel Garcia Murquende and Sister Runita Galf, and the Mother General of HDS, Mother Armalis Orgosco, were also present. Through their interventions, they deepened the relevance of the issues in the current post-pandemic context, highlighting the good use and of technology and digitalization in the service of the educational mission. Father Stefano Martologio, the vicar of the Rector Major, landed at Birsa Munda Airport, Ranchi, the state capital of Jharkhand, on the evening of 25th of February, accompanied by Father Davis Maniparamban, provincial, and Father Sami Joseph, secretary to the vicar. They were received by the rectors of the local communities of Hatia Kokar, Bariatu and Kwarmunda along with other confreres. The community of Don Bosco Kokar Ranchi hosted the dinner in Father Stefano Martlogio's honor, and about 40 confreres from the communities of Ranchi zone from the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha had gathered for this historic event. It was a moment of Salesian fraternity and joy. Father Martlogio addressed the confreres in his short good night talk, during which he spoke of the importance of Salesians and the Salesian mission in India, a presence that is important for the country as well as for the Salesian world. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.